Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today, I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Decentrawood. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Decentrawood Gamify Festival is live. So guys, first of all, you can register now, then you can earn 1000 gaming points, then you can play now. You can check here the ultimate gaming adventures await. So guys, don't miss out. And next guys, we go to further detail about this project. Guys, you can check here due token coin market cap price chart. You can check here price up and down. You can see this $1 million on market cap. You can check here 1.04 million value amount. You can check here total supply. You can see this details. And next we back to the home page, and next guys we go to this project price chart on Maxic exchange. So guys, you can check here. You can see this page is loading. It's take time. You can check here due token price chart on Maxic exchange. You can see this pricing up and down. You can get profit now, then you can start trading now. If you want to buy, then you can click here and enter your USD price, then you can enter your due amount, then you can buy due token now. If you want to sell, then you can click here and enter your USD amount, enter your due token amount, then you can sell now, then you can start trading now and get profits now. And next we back to the home page and see this more detail. Decentrawood AI powered metaverse platform created, honored and governed by the creative community of artists, game developers and gamers. And next guys, you can check here start exploring. So guys, you can click here and see this. So first of all, you can sign in or create an account, enter the world of Decentrawood, ready to explore a new one. So guys, you can continue with valid, continue as a guest. So guys, I select continue as a guest. So guys, you can click here, you can click this next and see this culture event, glamour event, gaming, AI. You can check here. I check culture event. You can see this culture Makaba, Decentrawood, Charaja, Ram Temple. You can check here. All is the coming soon. You can join now. And next we back to the home page and see this glamour event. You can click here and see this glamour Burj Khalifa, Cup Hub, marriage hall. You can join now. Celebrity place, D-Wood shop, gold sock. You can check here. And next we back to the home page and see this gaming culture, AI culture. And next we'll discuss further detail about this project Decentrawood. You can check here Decentrawood map. So guys, you can click here and see this Ariba zone. You can check here map of this project, Indus zone. And next guys, you can scroll down and check here further detail about this project. You can check here event. You can see this all events about this project Decentrawood. You can join now and check here. The next guy, you can check here on land and earn from it. By acquiring a piece of land in our immersive virtual universe, you gain the ability to build, customize and monetize your space. Host events, create unique experiences or lease your property to other users. The possibilities are endless and the potential for profit is substantial. And next guy, you can check here, create your own world. Decentrawood is a world built by you where the only limit is your imagination. Create and sell variables and emotes, construct captivating scenes and interactive experiences, or set up a personal space in your own world. And next guys, you can create your avatar, discover new experiences and make friends along the way. Go on epic quest, attend concerts, visits art galleries and more. Express yourself through avatars and mingle across the metaverse in style. And next you can check here immersive experience. You can check here glamour event, culture event, gaming event. You can check here. And next guy, you can check here facts. What is Decentrawood? How does Decentrawood work? What can I do in Decentrawood? How do I get started with Decentrawood? You can check here. And next guys, we go to this project official white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this Decentrawood token white paper, PDF is almost open now. You can scroll down and see this detail about this project, Decentrawood. You can check here VN. You can see this executive summary. You can check here metaverse with NFTs. Number one, true digital ownership. Number two, security and immutability. Number three, trading. Number four, cross application interoperability. And next we discuss what is Dude and what is used for. Dude token is a decentralized in world currency as well as the platform currency. Dude is an ERC20 token on Polygon blockchain that allows users to buy or sell land and other NFTs. You can check here, and next I will discuss what do we plan next. What do we plan next? You can check here RTL. You can see this. You can read it carefully. RTL assets marketplace, lands and mass, avatars, zones on earth, gaming detail, real estate, shopping, music and entertainment, travel, learning, socializations, NFTs detail, movie production. You can read it carefully. Detail. You can see this economy, allotment of tokens, public sale, 55%, seed fund 10%, development team 10%, marketing team 10%, strategic alliance 10%, equity 4%, airdrop bounty 1% mounted. You can check here ITA. You can see this, and next we back to the home page, and next guys you can check here gaming, glimmer, cultural, governance, overview, proposal, active grants, DAO transparency, DAO grants, DAO documents. You can check here blogs details. So guys you can click here and see this Decentrawood blog, live blog. You can check here all is the blog, and next we back to the home page, and next guys we go to this project news. So guys you can click here and see this Decentrawood news community. You can check here all is the news about this project Decentrawood, and next guy you can check here. You can see this. You can check here communities, and next guy you can join this project on following social media platforms: Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and other exchanges. So we go to this project official Twitter page. Guys, you can check here Decentrawood Gaming official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and get information about this project. You can check here all cultural events videos, picture. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post, and next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. Guys, you can check here Decentrawood official Telegram group chat community is open. 21,964 members that join this group. So guys you can join this group, and next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.